Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video, I would like to show you guys on how to draw dynamic poses. Since you guys has asked me to do a tutorial on how to start to draw, so I think this is the correct method on how to start your drawing. Usually I use grid because I want to do it fast and I want to be very accurate, but this is also another way and a more professional way to do it. So this is what I'm gonna draw, Bakugo. This is what I've drawn without grids, and I'm going to show you guys on how I draw it from start to finish using the perfect anatomy and also stickman and some simple blocks to create those dynamic poses. So let's watch this one together guys, let's go. Okay guys, to draw this Bakugo I'm going to start off with stickman, 3D figures and to the final flash finish. But before that I would like to explain to you on how I draw dynamic poses using stickman and 3D figures. All those theories going to be explained here from the basic start to finish. As you can see, drawing this random stickman is very easy to create dynamic poses. So yeah, we start off with the head. The head comes with the shape of a circular sphere and some sort of a triangle. For the jaws, it's always divided by 4, and the circular sphere have to be cut left and right in the shape of a wheel, car wheel. And this is the side view of the head, and the eyes line is always in the middle, and it's pretty much just following the sketch to understand what's going on and to draw it in a different direction in the form of a 3D form. As long as we know this formula, we can draw this head facing in any kind of direction easier. So we can see the shape of the sphere. It's not a sphere, but it's a shape of a wheel, tire wheel. As long as we draw that circle on the side of the head, that will be the indication of the direction, and we can use that to be the main point of the direction. So next is the doing the 3D figures for the body. It consists of sphere, square blocks and cylinder, and pretty much usually drawing body comes with these two blocks as in a traditional form, but right now it's better to use as an egg form as the above to create a similar shape as the rib cage. As we can see now, let's fill it up using these shapes and 3D figures. As we can see now, it creates a form already much easier and much simpler, and it has given these stick figures some mass volume, and pretty much we really go from there. Okay, now I'm going to fill it up with the flash. As we can see, after we have the 3D figures indicated, it will be easier to draw in the flash. Then after that, probably you guys can fill in with clothes and some hairs, some character design of the costume and the facial features. So these are what I've come up with after the stick figures is created. Now this is a more detailed approach to create the 3D detail flash. As we can see, the bend is dynamic, and with the flash it's just fit right nicely on this the shape of the egg above. That will indicate the shape of the rib cage. And this guy is facing another direction with using the same method, an egg shape 3D figures and below using the block, and this one is another direction from below, the camera shooting from below up to the top. Okay, right now the real challenge is to draw Bakugo, starting from the stick figures. Usually I use grid in this process, which is much faster and more detailed, and the pose will be more perfect using grids, but that's not the proper way to do it. That will catch my my way of drawing. Now I'm drawing the 3D figures, the models, the 3D shapes to create mass. Now let's fill it up with the final flash. As we can see, from this skill I can create any type of poses, and I can design any type of poses, any kind of posters in my future, and I can create any type of art. As long as I can create those stick men in different type of poses, I can have unlimited supply of poses and unlimited supply of ideas of pose. As long as you know how to draw stick figures, stick men, then you can do any type of pictures and poses, definitely. Of course, I draw this from a reference image, and of course using grids will have an identical pose, but using this stickman will create freedom to draw whatever poses we want. We just need to follow the style, the shape of the hair, the shape of the costume, the character of the ornament on the costume, the hand features, but the pose will just be our designated and our favorite poses that we want on the image. Well, I'm very happy that I've done this tutorial so that I can share with you guys on how to create drawings with dynamic poses, and also I'm learning a lot from these tutorial videos that I've created. Okay guys, so that's the tutorial. Hopefully you guys find it useful. So if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. So please do not forget to press the notification button and the like button. Thank you very much for watching guys, and see you guys in the next one.